So tell me, Adya, why you want to travel?
Let's go to London.
Because you travel a lot, then I like to travel a lot. I like to travel a lot too.
Adya, let's go to London.
London? That's a beautiful place. Let's go there.
What do you think is there in London?
I don't know. I've never been there.
So let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
In the weekend.
Okay, we'll go in the weekend. So what all things should we pack to go to London?
The stuffies I want to bring, I want to stay there for 2 days.
Okay.
So I'm gonna bring 2 stuffies, and you and is Daddy gonna come? Daddy, do you want to
I
come?
think I'm blind.
Blind?
Yeah, Daddy wants to come.
Okay. So Daddy and you are gonna both pack their own bags.
What will you pack in your bag?
I'll pack one stuffy that's small that can fit inside my suitcase.
Look at me and tell.
I'm gonna bring one small stuffy that can fit in my suitcase.
Okay.
And I'll pack 2 pajamas. Because I'm gonna take 2 sleeps and 2 morning clothes.
Okay.
And I need my own blanket.
Okay. And you need your toothbrush?
Yes, and my Mommy, can you buy some new toothpaste?
I will buy you a new toothpaste.
Unicorn toothpaste.
Okay. So what about shoes?
Yes, shoes. Like 1 shoes.
Okay, 1 pair of shoes.
Yes.
And a jacket?
Is it cold there?
Maybe. I have never been to London.
Then let's bring a jacket, maybe.
Okay. So Daddy says it rains a lot there.
Huh?
Yeah, Daddy's been to London already. So he says it rains a lot.
A lot? So that's why?
So what should we take with us if it's raining a lot?
Umbrella.
Okay.
And boots.
Okay.
And a jacket.
Okay.
And a hat.
Okay.
And gloves.
Okay. Sounds
And a
good.
scarf.
And a scarf too?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So that's awesome. So we will go to London soon.
Yeah. When you pack a lot of stuff.
Okay. You will pack your own suitcase though.
Yeah. And you and Dad will pack your own suitcases too.
Okay, we will do that. Sounds good.
I'll bring my necklace too, and also my jewelry,
Oh, okay.
so I can put makeup on.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Okay, that's awesome. So see you in London.
Yeah, see you in London too.